Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of There Always Teacher Asking for Parents, chapter 70. So here it is. Let's read the story. Back to Lucy Xiao and Xian. Well, Xian, she was cooking something. Probably she's trying to impress Lucy Xiao. Since Lucy Xiao is recovering from the shock, now it really makes sense. I really want to comfort her by making and cooking a food for her. Lucy Xiao, when she took out, after finishing taking a bath, she said to her, I will help. No, you can go and rest and wait for the dinner, Xian said to hers. Now seeing a lot of things in the kitchen, Lucy Xiao said to her, what did you buy? Well, there's a lot of vegetable are in the kitchen. Don't know what you like to eat, but I say that as long as there is one, I will buy some. After watching for so long, turns out you're not a picky person at all, so it's too hard to figure it out. But Lucy Xiao said to hers, actually, you can ask me about that. Oh, that was great then. Well, she looks really serious. And also, Xian, she got really confused. Now, let's see. Then, I'll ask you now, Xian said to hers. Now, Lucy Xiao suddenly got fussed. She was looking at Xian. She's seeing if she's really serious about this matter. Well, seeing like that, of course, Xian is always serious about her. What vegetable do you like to eat? Xian is asking her. Lucy Xiao said, potato, enoki mushroom, winter melon, water spinach, and edamame. So it turns out a lot. Xian, what about the seafoods? Beef, chicken, squid, prawns, and oyster. Well, definitely Xian. She was really noted about this. Well, this is really good. Now, what about the fruit? Xian is asking her. Lucy Xiao said to her, it was strawberry and lychee. Oh, that fruit is really sweet. Well, definitely Xian, she will remember everything about that. Now Xian, for the last time, she was asking her, what about snack? Oh, why her face is looking like that? She looks really serious and also she looks really mischievous. Lucy Xiao said, she is not eating snacks. Oh, what a good person. She is not wasting her time eating junk foods, right? Well, Lucy Xiao, it turns out she was really healthy in living. Just that's it, Lucy Xiao said to her. Oh, Xian, she's making fun of her and said, thank you for telling me this. Now Lucy Xiao, she feels really awkward about that. Now it really makes sense, right? Well, I continue to cook for our sick adult. Xian said to her. Now she came back on shopping. Definitely Xian, she is really happy knowing everything about Lucy Xiao, especially at trivial matters like foods. In fact, except for the ginger garlic and onions, I bake don't pick my mouth, so it turns out she can really eat everything. Well, she's not a picky person. Well, Xian, still, she was shopping, and she was going to cook. Shisha was staring on her back, and said to herself, such a beautiful hair. Well, definitely, she was adoring Xian's hair. Don't you mean to phrase me that everything is delicious and you like to eat everything you do? Oh, Xian, she's really making fun of hers. Suddenly, Lu Shishao come closer and holding her hair. Suddenly, wants to pull it off and said to Xian, concentrate on cutting vegetable. Now she's been scolded. Xian told her that, okay, she got it. You let me go first. Well, that was a punishment, right? Xian, she's being tricky to hers. Sorry to forget, Xian told her. In the nighttime, Xian and Louie are already sleeping. The other bed is empty. Well, definitely, Lucy Xiao, she went out. Have to admit, Lucy Xiao was thinking, for me, words are different from the others. Oh, did she mean that she's conferring Xian to the other people? Lucy Xiao on her mind, her thoughtfulness and contact make me traveling every time. Xian, she was really sleeping and she doesn't know that Lucy Xiao is always thinking about hers. Especially right now, the people like Xian are destined to not belong to the same word as me. Oh, this girl. She was always like this. She is not confident on herself. She thought that Xian will never like her because of hers. But she is wrong about that. How can you like the words? Now, the door is opening. Xian, she might be awakened. Oh, it was right. Xian, she hugged her from the back. Now Lu Shishao seems to be rattled, and she was calling Xian. Well, Xian, she only want to comfort her. Now, it really makes sense. Xian is asking her, "Can't you sleep?" Of course, she can see that. Maybe because on what happened today was really bothering Lu Shishao. What will happen to her daughter if she was gone? Xian told her that she can also sleep either. Let's chat. Well, this might be a long talk for the two of them. Xian, she was still hugging her from the back. Xian is asking her, "Are you afraid today?" She don't want to let her go. Of course, she's being afraid of. Well, I'm afraid, Lucy Shaw said to hers. I'm also afraid. Afraid that you will be poisoned. Afraid that you will die. Xian told her in long lines. But definitely, I was thinking, if you're gone, I'll take all the money in your card, take Nunu as my own, and then go to your grave every day. And I will forget you and find a stepmother for Nunu. Oh, that was seems that it's not really a joke for Xian. If I lie to you, I don't want your money, and I don't want to find a stepmother for Nunu. Xian, right now, she was trembling. Of course, she was really crying hard. Xian, she became teary and said to her, "I think I can be her second mom." Xian, she was crying and also showing her feelings to Lu Shishao. What? What can you say? You're the child's mother. Xian is trying to coax her. Now, Lu Shishao said to her, "Xian, you." Xian is always tricky, but Lu Shishao is asking her, "What exactly do you like me about?" Well, that was a tough question, right? Now, finally, Lu Shishao, she really means to see her, to let Xian, to fall in love with her. Now Xian said to her, "Finally, you are considering a relationship." Now Xian, she becomes happy. Xian, facing her and said, "I like everything about you." Now, she kissed gently on the forehead. Well, that was sweet things, right? Two of them, in the long night, are confessing their feelings. Even if you only think a little bit about me, it really makes me happy, Xian told Lu Shishao. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining the membership or you can directly support me via Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!